Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: a working internet connection, your Outlook email address, and the password or recovery contact. Open the Outlook desktop or mobile app or navigate to Outlook. Com in a browser. If you have both personal and work accounts, pick the correct account type so settings match. Click Sign In, type your full email address, and press Next. This begins the authentication sequence. Once done, you'll move into entering credentials and any required verification. After entering your password, you may be prompted for multi-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen prompt, approve the sign-in in your Authenticator app, or enter the SMS code. If MFA blocks access, use an app password or register a new method in account recovery. For Outlook desktop or third-party clients, let Auto-Discover configure Exchange first. If that fails, manually enter server type, Exchange/AMAP, server address, and port. Once authenticated and sync starts, make sure folder sync completes before moving. Finish by confirming your inbox and folders have synchronized. Send a test message to yourself to verify outbound mail. Configure a signature, notification settings, and basic folder rules so messages land where you expect. On mobile, enable background sync and notifications. If something goes wrong, clear cached credentials or remove and re-add the account to force fresh authentication. If it still fails, reset the password or check MFA settings. These steps solve most sign-in and sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.